Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on air conditioning. In this video I will explain about how simple air conditioner works. Air conditioning in general is the process of removing heat from a space in order to improve the comfort of occupants. Air conditioning can be used in both domestic and commercial environments. This process is most commonly used to achieve more comfortable interior environment, typically for humans and animals. Air conditioning is also used to cool rooms filled with heat-producing electronic devices such as computer servers, power amplifiers, etc., and also even to store and display some delicate products such as artwork. AC units ranges from small unit that can cool a small room to a massive unit that can cool an entire building. The cooling is typically achieved through a refrigeration cycle, but sometimes evaporation or free cooling is also used. In common usage, though air conditioning refers to systems which cool air, in construction, a complete system of heating, ventilation and air conditioning is referred to as HVAC. The artificial cooling of air and conditioning it to provide maximum comfort to human beings is called as comfort air conditioning. Similarly, if it is used to provide controlled atmosphere required in some manufacturing and processing units, then it is called industrial air conditioning. Window air conditioner is sometimes referred to as room air conditioner. It is the simplest form of an air conditioning system and is mounted on windows or walls. It is a single unit that is assembled in a casing where all the components are located. This refrigeration unit has a double shaft motor with fans mounted on both the sides of motor, one at the evaporator side and another at the condenser side. The evaporator cabin is located inside the room for cooling the space, and the condenser cabin is located outside for heat rejection. There is an insulated partition separating these two sides within the same casing. The front panel is the one that is seen by the user from inside the room, where it is installed, and has a user interface control, either mechanical or electrical. Older units usually are of mechanical type, with rotary knobs to control the temperature and fan speed of the AC. Nowadays, AC units come with electronic control system, where the functions are controlled using remote control. The front panel has adjustable horizontal and vertical plates, where the direction of airflow is adjustable to suit the comfort of users. The indoor cabin parts of a window air conditioner includes evaporator or cooling coil to extract heat from the indoor air, a fan or centrifugal blower to circulate the air inside the cabin, capillary tube for expanding the refrigerant in order to reduce the pressure, and filter to clean the air. The outdoor cabin parts includes a compressor to compress vapor refrigerant, condenser coil to reject heat to the atmosphere, propeller fan to circulate the air inside the cabin. During operation, the evaporator blower fan will suck the air from the room to be conditioned through the air filter and the evaporator coil. Heat exchange takes place between the liquid refrigerant and air, thereby converting it into vapor. The low pressure, low temperature refrigerant vapor from the evaporator is sucked by the compressor. The compressor compresses the vapor to high pressure and high temperature and discharges to the condenser. In the condenser, refrigerant vapor condenses by dissipating heat to the cooling medium or atmosphere. The liquid refrigerant coming out from the condenser passes through the capillary tube, where it expands, thereby reduces the pressure to evaporator pressure. The lower pressure, lower temperature liquid refrigerant then flows into the evaporator, where it gets evaporated by extracting the heat from the air which is drawn into the evaporator cabin from the room to be cooled. Air that is conditioned is then discharged back to the room. This air mixes with the room air to bring down the temperature and humidity level in the room.